Step 2. Creating and placing hot-linked modules. In this training step, we will return to the construction documentation of the Microsoft Office building. We will rationalize the design and replace repetitive parts with hot-linked modules. With this technique, we can save time if we need to modify these elements later. You will see two different ways to create modules and how you can place them in the original model. Open the COL6 step2.pln ArchiCAD project file. In this project file, some hot-linked module files were placed in advance. ArchiCAD stores an absolute path to locate the external module files. This training exercise has been created using the following default path for the hot-linked modules. On Macintosh operating systems, the module files should be located in the Macintosh HD Applications GRAPHISOFT ArchiCAD Collaboration Chapter 6 folder. On Windows operating systems, the module files should be located in the C drive, Program Files, GRAPHISOFT ArchiCAD Collaboration Chapter 6 folder. If you did not install this interactive training guide in the default location, ArchiCAD will not be able to locate the source files of the hot-linked modules on your computer, and a warning message will be displayed. If this happens, please start this step by relinking the external module files to the host project, completing the following steps. Open the Hotlink Manager dialog from the File, External Content menu. Notice that the status of the modules are displayed as missing. Click to select both module entries at the Hotlinked Sources list. Click the Relocate button and choose the From File option on the right. And browse your computer to locate the Hotlinked Modules folder. Click Choose to select this folder, and click the Relink Anyway button twice in the appearing warning messages. The status of all these modules are now displayed as Relocate. Click OK and ArchiCAD will update the content of these modules. Open the Hotlink Manager dialog again. Notice that the status of all the module files has been updated. Click Cancel to close the Hotlink Manager and proceed with the steps of this guide. Switch to the Navigator View Map and activate the 6.2.1 Cupboard Module Preset View located in the Chapter 6 folder. This displays the tea kitchen in the ground floor of the left wing. The furniture in the tea kitchen is repeated 6 times in the project. We will now create a module from the kitchen objects and equipment. Make sure the Suspend Groups toggle is off. Click any of the kitchen cabinets to select them all. Activate the Edit, Cut command to delete elements from the project and place them on the clipboard. Choose the File, Save As menu command, and select the module file from clipboard format at the bottom of the appearing Save Plan dialog. Enter COL060201 cupboard.mod for file name, and save the file in the Chapter 6 folder on your machine. The module file has been saved on your hard drive. Let's insert it back into its original place. Activate the File, External Content, Place Hotlinked Module command to open the Place Module dialog. Select the Model Unit Module layer for Master Layer. Click the Choose Hotlink button, and from the pop-up list of the new Hotlink button, select From File. enable the module file type, and choose the previously saved COL060201 cupboard.mod file from the Chapter 6 folder. Click the Select and OK buttons, then the Place Module button on the appearing dialogs. Finally, right-click outside the appearing marquee and choose OK from the appearing context menu. The module has been placed in its original location. Now let's save the T-Kitchen as a module with the kitchen walls, dining tables, and cupboard. Activate the next T-Kitchen module preset view. Make sure the Suspend Groups is switched off on the standard toolbar. Switch to the Arrow tool. Choose the Direction-Dependent Selection method. The Direction-Dependent Selection method combines the partial element and entire element selection methods. If you draw the selection rectangle from left to right, the entire element method will be used. If you draw the selection rectangle from right to left, the partial element method will be used. Draw a rectangular selection area. Click close to the labels, but not on them, to avoid including them in the selection. If they do become selected, deselect them using shift clicks. Activate the File, External Content, Save Selection as Module menu command. Check the Replace selection with this Hotlinked Module File radio button. And enter col 060202 tkitchen.mod for the name. And save it in the Chapter 6 folder. As you can see, the module has been created on the place of the original selected elements. This module also contains the previously created cupboard as a submodule or nested module. Let's replace the T-Kitchens on the first and second floor with this module as well. First, we will delete the existing individual elements and copy the module to the upper levels. Select the previously created module on the ground floor by shift-clicking on one of the elements and press Ctrl or Command plus C to copy it to the clipboard. Activate the next Replace T-Kitchen on First Floor preset view. Delete the kitchen on the first floor by selecting its elements with the Arrow tool. Use labels 1 and 2 as aids. Press the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the selected kitchen elements. Then press Ctrl or Command plus V to place the module. Proceed to the next preset view and repeat the previous steps to replace the kitchen elements with the single module file on the second floor as well. We will replace the existing kitchen furniture with hot-linked modules in the right wing of the building. Activate the next preset view. Make sure the Suspend Groups toggle is off. Click any of the kitchen cabinets to select them all. Delete them by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Activate the File, External Content, Place Hotlinked Module menu command to open the Place Module dialog. Click on the Choose Hotlink button and select the COL621 Cupboard Module file in the Choose Hotlink dialog. Click OK and then press the Place Module button. the Paste Options dialog appears. Choose the center of the current view and keep Current View options on the dialog, and press the Paste button. Don't accept the placement yet. We will move the model to its final location. Let's mirror it first. Activate the Edit, Move, Mirror menu command. Left-click near the module, and with 2 clicks and the help of the guidelines, define a vertical mirror axis. Next, activate the Edit, Move, Drag command. Click on the upper right corner of the cupboard model and move it to the upper right corner of the tea kitchen. You can accept the placement now by clicking once outside the marquee. Now copy this module to the first and second floors as well. Select the module and press Ctrl or Command plus C. Activate the 6.2.6 preset view. Click any of the kitchen cabinets to select them all. Delete them by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Then paste the module from the clipboard using the Ctrl or Command plus V shortcut. Click outside the appearing marquee to accept the result of the paste operation. Activate the next 6.2.7 preset view and repeat the previous steps on the second floor as well. We have replaced the elements of the cupboards and the tea kitchen areas in the left wing of the building with Hotlinked Modules. In the next step, we'll see how we can modify these if necessary.